And we spoke and he said, well, last year it was for him, but you were very sure that it was going to come to you this year. There must have been some level of conviction that made you think that this year was definitely going to go to you. Tell us about that.
You know, if I don't think that, nobody's going to think that for me. Yeah, so I had to think that to boost my work rates, my confidence, everything. Like, I just want to say that and put the work that I need to get there behind, have that spirit. At least I know how to go for something. If I don't get it, like I said, alhamdulillah, then I know I've worked, I've improved, because, you understand me? So it's really about just the inspirational purposes for me, saying things that I want to happen. It's just inspirational purposes.
Now, on the night before the announcement, you knew the cameras would be on you. I'm not sure who was seated to your right.
Farouk.
Oh, that's his name. So Farouk was seated to you. Oh, your big brother?
Yeah, man.
Okay. You people were looking downwards. Was it at your phone? What was it?
He said they caught me, OG Farouk, make one of prayer. They caught me pictures.
Okay.
My DOP, they cut my videos, everything. Yeah, so then I had to check the pictures that we took that day. Because from the VGMA day, that Saturday, from morning we were active.
Okay.
Yeah, so then we did studio recording pictures, stuff like that.
Okay.
Yeah, so I did. I feel like that'd be the time I thought.
So that's what I want to ask you.
Chilling.
Was it you were just chilling?
Yeah, no, I tweeted. You didn't see my.
I didn't see that one.
Yeah, I tweeted. You see, Papa, you do like this.
So you were just chilling. That's your chilling mode. So it wasn't because maybe you were nervous about
or tense.
Everyone about me. Even if I'm in like public and stuff, like I get like social anxiety, them thing. Yeah, I feel the shake, them thing. Yeah, but so like I've learned like how to distract myself from them thing.
So then how do you perform on stage? If you get social anxiety when the numbers are huge?
They're huge, like,
so tell us.
But if I touch the mic, that's it. That's like, with music, it has always been like my escape from everything. Yeah, when I'm sad, I make music.
Okay.
When I'm overexcited, I make music. You understand me? So like, it's just me. My lifestyle is like making music.
When you did Kweku the Traveler, what was your state of mind? Were you sad? Were you happy?
I just wake up, like wash my face, try to go get some sunlight. I hear the beat in another room. I buck inside the room, joke, I'm making the beat on this laptop, stuff like that. I go back to my room, pick up my phone, enter the room, start writing.
And that's how...
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, easy like that, yeah.
But honestly, PCSA gave you a run for your money. Unless you don't think so. And I remember that night, there was a question that was posed to you about how you felt about, the Christian community as against what some people call the worldly community.
I tell them already, say
against each other. And you said it was us.
Yeah, it's us against us. It's not.
Why did you say it was us against us? What did you mean exactly?
Because it's always been us against us in my head.
How?
Whatever I do, I can't run late in my own lane. You understand me? I have my lane where I the toe. I know where I come from. I know where I'm going. I know what my improvement is. I know what I didn't know back in like 2 years. You understand me? So like, I feel the growth and stuff like that. So I'm very chill, working, learning, and like having fun and making music. It's just like that for me.
Your fans were worried.
Yeah.
When the nominees were announced up until even just last week, they were worried that you weren't posting about your nominations until almost last minute when
so I posted,
Church of Pentecost had come in to say we're
that be the time then me, I don't want post that thing.
You didn't want to?
Nah, I said that be the time I won't post them.
Why?
Yeah. Because you see my caption. Try read my caption from Facebook for me.
It's a lot of blood and sweat, etc. Cookie will find it.
Yeah. Read that, make I explain it for you.
Okay. Let me find it so you explain it
I want to explain
to all of us.
I see. Interesting. But while she does, I mean, did it get to you that your fans were calling you out?
Oh no! Before that, I had posted it on my Instagram stories and stuff like that. Yeah, so I was really like showed about those who saw it. Those who no see go run with that thing. Like I said, they come explain. They go explain whatever then.
Of course.
Okay, so I'm trying to find it. Help me figure out which one.
Let's take a look at that interview that he granted us just last week. Last week. Oh, you found it now. Okay,
yes.
Let's go with it.
Well, it says, you've seen my blood, sweat, and tears. You've seen the ups and downs of my journey. I've had my lips shut and my eyes opened ever since I stepped into the game. I don't plan on changing that. Not today, not tomorrow. Let's go, VGMA.
Whoever they believe in me they believe in my music, my personality, like my perspectives and stuff. Whatever they do or whatever comes to me, like they feel it.
Okay.
Yeah, like on a brother, on a like cousin level, on a son level. You understand me? Like they feel it. So it's almost like their message to me is like, KK, we dare your back. Just do the music, focus, do the music, KK, we dare your back. That's the feeling that they feel from. So like anything that comes to me, like any this thing, people they declare.
So you don't have to shout.
Prayers for my mother, prayers for my fans, people who believe in me, like people that I inspire. The spirits they just have for me. And they feel like they protect me, they do them things. Yeah, so right.
So not that you did, because this was published on the 3rd of May at 2:39 p.m.
Ewiakete.
I didn't know playing Ewiakete.
Sunday. I like make my head hot.
Okay.
Yeah, because sometimes if I go studio like evening time, be in the studio from like 7 p.m. to like 4 a.m. AC inside, I chill up. So if the sun started come outside like 8 a.m., I would come out, go there, make my head hot.
What does it do to you?
It make I feel say a day alive.
We want to understand your relationship with nature, because you're talking about the sun, but there was a video where it was like you were standing by a stream or something like that in the bush. Where was that?
It was Akosumbo. Yeah, Akosumbo, they're back there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for you, what does nature mean? And what does it do?
Yeah.
And was it a voice training you were doing over there?
The mountains, like, we sleep there overnight. So like we wake up, we brush on our teeth, take shower.
Okay.
Say we won't go hike, we won't hike around. Yeah, so
with the intention of making music?
Finding inspiration, making music, like playing unreleased songs, stuff like that.
Okay. Right.
Yeah.
Interesting. Let's come back to the night. So, I mean, you had won awards on the night. One of the categories, but a lot of people thought you should have picked was Album of the Year.
Me said the artist.
You said it yourself when you spoke to Zion Felix that as for album, you are sure
You know you're getting
it, that was coming to you. But it didn't. It went to 5-star by King Promise. Were you
5-star.
disappointed?
No. 5-star, my killer be that.
Okay.
Yeah, I love the album too.
But were you disappointed that it didn't come to you?
That time?
Yeah.
Oh, they happy at the wait me, they mention my name. They don't mention my name. Yawa.
But it didn't hurt you that with all the work you had put in it and the conviction you had that was supposed to be yours. And people have said
if I felt like who the award they go to know they deserve them, I go feel some way.
Okay.
But everybody they there,
you think say
they deserve them.
Okay.
Like they not go put your name for them.
Right.
Everyone on that bill, they deserve them. They put work in. That be why they carry them up. Album name self come put they say. Of all the albums that dropped in that year, these are the albums that are contesting for album of the year. So everyone there, they deserve them. Yeah.
Are you a satisfied artist as at this morning?
As in, explain them for me better.
Satisfied. Where you've gotten to right now, from 4 years ago to last year, new Artist of the Year, and now the ultimate Artist of the Year 2023. What mean?
Okay, so I'll tell you this. For my own good, and like to keep my spirit active every time, these trophies and stuff, like I took it that moment. From that moment, we just feel the happiness. If we go home, it's just another evening for us.
Okay.
To be who we were before we took that award. So I just a trip. And I go tell you, like, every time I feel so new and fresh. I feel like I don't know anything. So whatever I'm tackling, whatever I want to learn, I learn it like I'm new to this. I'm just curious. And I have some skill that will make me like help me digest things that I want to learn.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
On the night, you won what? How many awards did you pick up?
4, I think.
4.
Yeah.
So you won Artist of the Year, the overall collaboration of the year as well, and then you picked up what the
Hip Hop Song of the Year.
Hip-hop Song of the Year, yeah.
And the best video of the year.
Yeah, big shouts to Babs.
Okay,
Yeah,
on
we
that
went to
one.
Konongo Zongo to
Yeah.
make
Were you
that
expecting
happen.
more than just the 4? I mean, album aside, because you had 11 nominations.
The what's most popular as well.
Four big
yeah,
goals.
yeah.
4 big. But me, like, how I did talk, I don't think about the quantity of numbers, awards that they come to or something. I just plan songs I will sing if I come on the stage.
So your whole night, you were thinking of the performance,
Just your performance.
and not really the awards. Is that what you're saying?
I like the awards.
Okay.
I like everything that was there, from breakups to everybody. I like whatever happened for the. I could see Sack in performance, the lightning and things. Yeah, I love the lightning.
So that was the confusion for many people. You were in the stands enjoying and cheering him on and everything. But the normal expectation on the streets were that you would have joined him to perform the biggest hit ever. And the people actually say you won 5 awards on the night because, of course, best collaboration that Sarkodie picked up. Why were you in the stands? You didn't feel like coming up stage?
Then my set, the performance time they give me, I can't perform for me.
Okay.
Sack, they perform. Yeah, me too. I'm a big fan of Sack. I go love today, watch some.
Okay.
Yeah.
But not that you wanted to go
To
on
perform with him.
Come the question again. I know.
You just wanted to idolize him that day. If
You understand?
So that'd be the word I used everywhere. Idolize.
Yeah, we know plan them. Say
Okay.
we they can't perform.
Okay.
No. So
It
I know
wasn't
if you
part of
just
the
hop, go. You understand me?
Okay.
So I would they see do
I think we should take a look at his performance.
Because me, every people like everybody I see safe. Even you guys. Whatever one they do, I try to pick something from inside.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because me, I see everybody like a culture. Every single person is a culture.
I see.
You understand me? So I don't know what you see, I don't know what you experience, the kind of perspectives you have. So whatever you do, I pick what's good for me, from your body. What no good, I leave for you. Maybe it's good for you or something. Because life will be perspectives.
Right.
Yeah. So I just pick what I want to pick from you. Bounce, life they go on like that.
All right, let's take a look at his performance for the ultimate night, the 24th VGMAs.
Ooh, yeah, na 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 na. All my niggas serious. Don't mess around with the crew. Swear to God this time I so we strap on that to this. Let me give everyone who don't want me to leave my life I keep food. Rest in peace to one of them. Don't see that's all in them. Me the jumper of the air. Me the man who's always been. Sign up calling every day. Ask about me. Gave up many times on my way. I know what you can't get me late. Too many times I said back again. They were very tired of me. You know sad boys don't go. So think a man never fall. I gave my heart go. Then I went to the soul. You know sad boys don't go. So think a man never fall. I gave my heart go. And I fall like a man goes. Standing low. We'll be great. Mutamunda. Yeah. Standing low to my rasta. We'll be great. Mutamunda. Yeah. Standing low to my rasta. We'll be great, Mutamunda. Sending love to my rasta. We'll be great, Mutamunda. Say, yeah, to see I don't move like you. You say we run out of tattoo. Put my house on my chest tattoo. But when I don't watch our shoe. Mr. Man, what you really wanna do? Tell me now if you down with the school. That's my mom many time on the food. She don't like the fact that I'm born. But I am cause nobody knows the shit out of my. Say that I'm mad, say, standing low to my rasta. Yeah, we'll be great, low to my rasta. Yeah, we'll be great, Mutamunda. Standing low
I went on Facebook just to check what people thought about your performance, and they loved it generally. But Buzzman says, why didn't he perform Kweku the Traveler? We were all waiting for that song.
It was not part of the piece that we created.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's not about what the fans want to hear sometimes.
It's the experience
Okay.
that I want to. You know, my fans, most times, they like me can be free,
Okay.
do my thing.
Okay.
So like, it kind of goes with my energy, because I love to be free with my art and stuff like that. So for that night, that was the piece we created.
Okay.
The experience we created for them. And now they love her.
Yeah.
And that be in comments. And that's how it will go.
And many people also want to know that the party with the Rasta people happened. Did it happen?
It happened
Oh, it is.
for around the nation.
Okay.
Okay, explain. Explain. What do you mean? The party?
I was expecting that.
Exactly. The party happened across the
Across
nation.
nationwide.
Hey.
Yeah, Obianti.
Now coverage in every way. Where's the coverage?
No coverage.
But it happened.
No.
The
They
party
told you.
happened nationwide.
Yeah, because everybody was happy
They not
that
for
you
come
won.
tell me, sir.
You just could feel it.
It was in the air. That be what Bob Marley talk. There is a natural mystic flow.
In the air.
Yeah, man. So that night, the energy, the ghetto youth, everybody, they feel it.
Konongo was watching you.
Exactly.
And
You see that?
jubilating. We
Yeah.
saw that video.
No, but you, in your own words, you said you carry the award and take it to the TEF, the Rasta TEF. So did you take it there?
So wanna own to we do one.
You
For where?
went there.
Eh?
For where?
Yeah, fear.
Oh,
where
okay.
Want a house.
Konongo.
Where?
Spintex.
Oh, Spintex.
Aha.
Yeah.
But
Those
did you
are
go
the
to
details
Konongo
I
too?
needed, yeah.
Did you go to
Konongo. Konongo. We go Konongo this weekend.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah.
To go and show them the award
There's
and
an,
appreciate
I will
them.
give them say wanna come house.
Okay.
I see.
Go
That,
greet them. Then we
I
come.
see.
that night when you won, I mean, the whole place erupted in cheers. Everybody was excited about it. But there was a song you sang on stage
Oh, George. Yeah.
when you won that song.
Yeah, Danny Best.
Why that particular song? Did he tell you something about you winning Artist of the Year eventually or something?
You know, most of the times I dey talk to myself. So whatever I dey tell myself, like whatever I was telling myself like 2 years ago, a year ago, months ago, if it happens, if I see it come into real life, I dey chat to myself again, say, yo, it happened. We are grateful. What's next? Yeah, so that was me doing my culture there.
So it wasn't for George Quay, George Adani Best, any of them. Adani Best. It wasn't for any of them.
For
We have a
who?
surprise for you. I thought maybe you were speaking to Adani Best or
Yeah.
something. That's why you sang this song.
He all be message. He all did the packing side.
But you love Adani Best as
so
an artist.
much.
Guess what?
There's a
He's on the line for
surprise.
you.
Hey.
Yes.
Yeah.
Adani Best is on air.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning.
For him?
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Oh, I'm good.
Where in the world were you on Saturday night? And did you have any inclination that your name or you were even going to perform on the night without being there?
You know?
Last night I was in the studio working on my album. Last night.
No, I mean Saturday night.
That's Saturday night. You
Yes.
mean that Saturday night?
Yes, that Saturday night, where were you? And did you have any idea that you were even going to be performing on stage without you being there?
You see, last Saturday night, I was in the studio working on my latest album. I didn't know he was coming to, sing my song. But I thank him for, letting the whole world know that he loves me. He loves me.
Talk to him. He's here.
Exactly,
He's
yeah.
shocked. Talk to him, Adani Best.
I shook.
Adani Best,
Hello.
are you there?
Are you there?
Hello, Mimia.
Hello, Numo. Good morning.
God bless you.
Ami. God bless you too. God bless you
And
too.
this is just the beginning.
Yeah, Ami.
This is just the beginning.
Ami.
What do you want to
This
tell
is
me?
just the
Me say-
Give me say, look. After Rebecca was there.
Mati.
Is there a collaboration coming up? Because the way you're saying after Rebecca
Rebecca
Sano,
Sano,
we
it will
need that. If it happens.
Yeah, it will happen.
Okay.
Hi. One, I don't know what one of the yeah, crazy.
What is it about Adani Best that you love so much?
Yeah.
It not be just today. You know, we say I find about them like 5 years ago or something. My mommy grew me up and down. You understand me? Yeah.
Because we wanted to ask, I mean, for the new school, if we can put it like that, many of them may not know Adani Best. But for you to know Adani Best, then it must have been from home.
Yeah.
So your mommy used to listen to a lot of
listen
Adani
to
Best
Adani
records
Best,
at the time.
Yeah.
So that's when you got to know about Adani Best.
My mommy loves Alpha Blondie, Adani Best, them thing, yeah.
Right.
My puppy too. My puppy loved Don Carlos from Jamaica, them thing, yeah. So, like, my early influences was like them conscious music and this man.
Right.
Ah, that'd be crazy.
Listen, your fans have a lot of questions for you off Facebook as well. Sami says I should ask you when you are collaborating with Stonebwoy or you already have something. There are other questions. So just if you want to, should I put all of them together?
Yeah.
So the first one is Stonebwoy, when you're collaborating with Stonebwoy. Another person, I am Collins, is asking when you would have a banger with you and Shatta Wale. And then, the third one is also Stonebwoy. So two names, Shatta Wale and Stonebwoy.
Yeah. I feel say if the time it came, the bell ring came, it will happen. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It will happen, definitely.
Yeah. Cause this summer, boy, I day around the world. Me too, I go day around the world. So if we go crush for some Switzerland, enter some studio, inshallah.
That's what we're actually going to talk about, because we are told you have projects coming up. You're working already.
Yeah.
Are you not tired? You don't want to take a little rest?
No.
Why?
I want to work.
Well, it's good that she's asking you that, because there's also this fear of people who win Artist of the Year and sort of dip. And I'm using that advisedly. And we've seen that happen with one or two artists. So a lot of people think that for artists, when they win Artist of the Year, the expectation is so much that they feel like they have to prove something instead of probably just taking a rest. Others also think that, you go on a hiatus or you take a rest and stop churning out the quality that you churned out to win Artist of the Year. Do you have that fear?
I don't think like that. Not at all.
Okay.
I think that whatever I'm doing that has gotten me here, if I train and double up my spirit, my hustle, I will go far. Okay. That's what I think and believe in. And inshallah, God will help me make a dua.
Ameen. Mohammed Ismail Sherif. That is the actual name.
Mohammed
I see.
Ismail
So this won't be the only Artist of the Year you're winning? You're very sure?
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
Many more? Next year, you go take them?
Inshallah.
Okay. And this one is not inshallah. Will you go take them? Last year, you said you would take it by force.
Whatever. If it happen for here, whatever they happen, like the next minute, I don't know. If it God,
it's only God who knows.
That's why I say inshallah. If it be God in real, say it will happen. We go work, make it happen. If you know being real, we go work, get experience, they go.
But at least you do know what's happening for you on the 20th and 25th, Atlanta and all that. Since you're on the road and you don't want to rest.
20th, New York City, 25th, Atlanta.
What's happening?
KK show.
KK show.
Yeah, Black Sherif live at Palladium, New York City on 20th, New York City.
The KK stands for what?
KK Kweku Killer.
Kweku Killer.
KK.
Because the other one in December was Mozama Disco.
Mozama Disco.
Okay, but this one is KK Kweku Killer.
It be my name.
I know.
Yeah.
I see.
It's a lot of the only the KK into again attributes.
Okay.
If you go some section for ghetto, they call me KK Ras.
KK
Ras.
Yeah.
And then the other section, then they call you
KK.
Without a Ras.
Yeah. Some other section too, they like call me KK Rasta.
So there's KK Ras, KK
Rasta, and KK.
Somebody they won't keep the Rasta cool, so they're like KK Ras.
Okay.
I see.
So the Muhammad, it doesn't come anywhere at all.
Muhammad will book him.
I know a book,
but branding
for streets where we they live, where people know we, that be what they want call me.
KK Ras.
The spirit says they say KK.
Okay.
If you walk says KK, if you know be your name, say
you go 10,
but you know be you.
Someone is on the line for you, and he had predicted that you were going to win Artist of the Year.
God bless you for
And you know,
premeditating.
he was so sure about that. Raskuku Puom. Good to have you on the show.
Let's go.
Good morning to you. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. You don't know I'm good. I'm doing well. You don't know. Even without the award, I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm excellent.
Congratulations
I'm excellent.
still. Congratulations
Yeah,
still.
man.
Yeah.
Yes, you know, the congratulations goes to me and Blacko.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Blessings, cuckoo.
Anyway, so you had predicted earlier that he was going to be the ultimate artist of the year this year. That's one to Rasta people wait and tell you or say how you figure no.
Yes, I don't know. Big things to one and all in the studio. Yeah, first of all, let me let Ghanaians know that when it comes to the work, 2022, no one came close to Blacko. It's a fact. When you check the numbers, the videos, the vibes, the shows, the awards, you know, we are all human beings, we are all musicians, most of us are older than him, but when you're a little brother does something excellent, appreciate it and let him know. You know, this year, it was between him, Stoneboy, and PC, and we all knew what he did last year. So, you know, there's no doubt that he won. And congratulations to him.
Thank
you know, I've never spoken to Blacko before.
Yeah.
I've met him once at a show in Achimota. He was built to perform there, and he asked me to come and support him.
Yeah.
It was just a hug.
Yeah.
We've never spoken, but I love his style. I love everything. Whatever he does is unique, you know. Yeah.
So moving forward, would you love to join forces with him, come out with something perhaps?
Yeah, you know, the Blacko style is, you know, the hip-hop version of Raskuku. That is what I see all the time. The brain behind his songs, the style, the voice, is the hip-hop style of Raskuku. And I admire him so much. He should keep on working. He shouldn't mind. He shouldn't watch his back, you know, keep on focusing because he's there. He's there already, you know. Blacko to the world, you don't know. Poor music, we are fully behind him.
That's good.
Yeah, one day we will work on something mad. But
That's
for
good.
now, this is time. Let's just allow him to enjoy those big artists who are trying to enter into his, you know, career to just pick some. He saved some other artists, some big artists. Blacko saved them at the night, and I know, and Ghanaians know that for a fact. They don't want to see it.
He saved them how?
Blacko.
How did he save them, if I may ask?
He saved some of the big names. Without him, some of them wouldn't have won some awards. So we all know that. Blacko, big up yourself.
Okay, I understand. Thank you. Thank you so much. And that prediction came right. So maybe next year we'll call you again
Exactly,
to find
to
out
predict,
if you can predict for us. So I'll call you predictor.
Well, they shouldn't compare these Chechika people to us. So anytime they do that, I'm ready to support our own. It's Chechika against the Jah people, and the rest will overtake them all the time.
Is there a particular song playing in your mind right now? Is there a song playing in your mind?
Yeah.
What song is that? Because I see say the move.
Beat is a beat.
It's coming to you right now. It's new.
No.
It's an old beat. So that's what you're dancing to right now.
But final words to Raskuku before he goes off.
Raskuku, I love you so much. God bless
I love
you.
you.
God, I love your work.
Love you.
I love your personality. I love everything about you. God bless you so much. God bless you so much. You are loved.
The link of Jabi with you all the time.
Amen. Bless you.
Okay, so I think we can call him. I want to call you KK this morning.
KK, let's go.
Right from the very first sermon, it felt as though you had struggled so much. And you identify with your struggles and your music videos, your demeanor, even the way you talk feels like you know where you're coming from and you want something out of life. What do you want?
That's the question.
Yes.
What do I want?
Yes.
I want to see the better version of me and my people.
Do you think government is helping or doing enough to give you, us, your people, the best?
I think everybody is trying. The government in matter will be different. Right now, I'm at the city here. I don't know how to talk the government in matter. But maybe some next year or next 2 years, I gonna know how I go talk.
Try small.
The government right
now. Try small.
Unless I think, that'd be like writing music. So maybe I'll take right song. Yeah, because I for think. That be why I mean, mostly if I'm talking, I'm like very slow with choosing my words and stuff. I want to be aware of whatever word I put out in something.
Okay.
Because I love accountability. I would love to come up and say, if you say, KK, do this, I would love to like appreciate that and examine plus what I talk and things and deduce my own thoughts and stuff from that. So every word I choose to put out, I want to be aware of that.
Okay.
And right now I don't know much about what the government is affecting or is distant, but I'm touching the people straight because I'm on the streets. I know the people.
Do you feel...
There's no barrier between if I want to chat through the government to the people.
Yeah.
It's long.
And long.
I know the people.
And you're hitting them directly with your music.
My face is in the people's face. So I'm talking to them. I'm doing my best. Because if you want to be better, you for be at peace with yourself first.
Okay.
That be what I'm doing. I'm trying to do for my people. To be with ourselves first. Then tackle one of situations. Before we would think about some secondary help or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bella has a question for you.
Well, even before my question, so there's one man who was vigorously campaigning for your biggest competitor on the night, and he's a member of the Table of Men, and he said that it was non-negotiable for PSA Esther to win. We want to hear from him this morning, and so we've called him on the line to hear from him. Kwesi Ernest. Kwesi Ernest, are you there?
Hey, good morning, Bella.
Good morning. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you are well.
I'm very, very well.
Have you recovered from the shock?
Tired and well.
Tired. Have you recovered from the shock? Because you said PSA Esther's win was non-negotiable.
Yes, Bella, we have recovered from the shock in as much as we wanted PCO to win and it was non-negotiable. Of course, let us also not rule out the fact that Blacko has done great for himself under the year under review. And indeed, all of us also, we congratulate him for the big win on the night. The young Konongo young man, the Konongo Zongo young man, has brought light to the entire Konongo township. And I'm told that there's a lot of jubilation in Konongo and its environs for the achievement the young man has been able to achieve for himself. However, we were very hopeful that with our activities and the things that we did, we're very hopeful that our candidate, in the likes of the person of PSA, will have carried the night.
Okay. Do you want to give him a message? He's here. He's watching you. What do you want to say to him? I mean, you're one of the most influential people in the music industry in Ghana at the moment. For a young man like this to win New Artist of the Year, and a year later, he's now adjudged the Artist of the Year. What would you say to him to encourage him?
You know, if you look at Black Sherif, I think that there's a particular hunger, you know, which he exhibits at every given opportunity. You know, for some of us who grew in the Zongo community and who come from the hardcore construction-based zone lines, you know, we don't relent on our efforts one given platform. Blacko is a hustler. He's a street boy. And when a street boy jumps into the main high streets, you know, the level of speed, the level of power, and the level of articulation that he exhibits in terms of what he wants to do, I mean, it's beyond imagination. And that's the success, and that's what we are all seeing Blacko exhibiting. I am so proud of him. I'm so proud of him for every success he's striking in his music career.
Okay.
We are hoping that he'll be able to do more for Ghana.
Yeah.
Because there's some form of energy, you know, and he exhibited. He doesn't just display with his mouth. You could see that the growth. I mean, watch his performances. He was fantastic on the night. And for me, this is what I keep saying, that it's important for us to give equal platform. And Bella, don't take it wrongly from me.
Please make this brief for me.
This is what I've been fighting for. That there should be an equal playing field for gospel music.
Okay.
Vis-a-vis secular artists. Because you saw the amount of performing time that was given to Blacko.
Yeah.
Vis-a-vis what was given to 7 gospel artists in one night. The entire 7 gospel artists, between from Kofi Pepra, P.A. Siesta, Ohima Mercy, Celeste Donko, Sichun, MOG, all these beautiful, great international artists on the night were all given 7 minutes to perform one song.
Okay. Well, I think this conversation we can have it later. I only wanted to find out what you have to say to encourage him. Don't worry, Friday we'll have you here.
On Friday.
And we'll have that conversation. But thank you so much for your contribution. But final one before you go. Every Ghanaian, literally, whether in Ghana or in the diaspora, wherever, it's like everyone is looking up to you now to be the one to take Ghana to the next level. And when it comes to international collaborations and all that, we've seen the attention you're getting. What would you say to all these Ghanaians who are looking up to you? And does it sort of give you a bit of pressure knowing that we are expecting so much from you, not because we don't like you, but we love you and we love your music?
So I take it all in good faith. And my sentence be, so help me, Lord.
Amen.
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 Amen to that. Amen.
Dreams have no limitations.
Yeah.
Everything is achievable.
Amen.
In his own words, that's what he said when he picked up the award. Dreams have no limitations.
Yeah.
Everything is achievable. The Grammys are achievable.
Amen.
The BETs are achievable.
Amen.
Okay.
Everything is achievable. We're going to do the Kukukila don't lie.
Exactly. But I needed to ask a question.
Yeah.
What's your style of music? What do you call it? What genre is that?
It's hip hop basically.
Hip-hop.
And high life. But me, I'm high life.
You are high life.
And I'm doing most of the beats I choose to do my stuff are hip hop beats. So I'm high life doing hip hop.
Okay. High life doing hip
Call it
hop.
what you want. If I coin if I get some idea coin the genre, I go announce them. It go get to my people. But know me, I'm high life. I grew up on high life. It's built in me. Those are my the basic inspirations I go to when I want to make music.
Okay.
But I'm doing hip hop.
Okay. J Divine says all of Africa is behind you to the Grammys, straight to the Grammys. And then Fab Nav says we did here full force. Nana Kwesi Blacko, I'm proud of you. Dreams are valid. They have no limitations. That's from Christabel Titi. But quick one. So you're going on tour.
Yeah.
Tell us how, for all your fans who are out there who want to also join in the tour, how do they buy tickets? Do you have all those details?
Okay, so blacksherifworld.com.
blacksherifworld.com. Okay.
Whatever tickets you want to, wherever. I'll keep announcing more dates.
Okay.
But now we have New York on the 20th. The tickets are available.
Okay.
20th May, Palladium. 25th,
Atlanta.
Tickets are available on blacksherifworld.com. BLACKSHERIFWORLD.com. Let's go.
I'm going to try your line and see if I'll get it right. I want to try that night, but it's not very new. So you have to jump in and help me.
No.
Cookie has to jump in as well.
Cuckoo Killer.
Cuckoo Killer don't lie when I say
I did it.
Big stash, big cash. Came
My
way.
way, but still a fan bullet.
Under
Under
1
1
minute.
minute.
Some people say obede pombede.
You
You know, some people say obede pombede.
Improvisation.
Yes, improvisation.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
But so,
Still a fan bullet. If it's still a fan bullet.
Bullet.
Before you hit the other one.
I should take my time.
Killer don't lie when I say I did it. Big stars, big cash my way, but still a fan bullet.
Okay.
Under
1 minute.
Still I can't believe, but I
Okay.
can't blame myself for this. A new man that was born for this. Of course I messed up. Who never
Messed up, hands in the air. No hands. Okay.
Still I can't believe. You know, it's all this time I can't feel it jiggy.
What's with this? One tears here.
I see.
You didn't get it.
Oh,
You
man.
didn't get it.
Oh, I'm feeling that's what I'm feeling. No, but we're proud of you.
Yeah.
We're happy. Like, you've given us so much inspiration. The streets
man.
are behind
So
you.
I said it that the type of civil war that we had was between the streets and the church.
Yeah.
But you know, every time the church would have to have a crusade, we have it on the streets. You know what I mean? So congratulations.
All the fans of Blacko join us.
Are they here?
Just a quick one. and then we'll wrap up. But the comments are insane
Yeah,
on
it's
social
fire,
media.
it's
So many
fire.
of them. Shouts to everyone who's watching us. We also were on Onya TV and 3FM 92.7. This is your Artist of the Year. Very well deserved. We can't wait because he says he has new work coming out.
Yeah, new work coming out.
Okay.
22nd June, KK Park. It's more than one song.
2nd or
That's
22nd?
22nd.
22nd June. It's called
Yeah.
what?
KK Park.
Is it an album? Is it a
It's
single?
more than one song. That's
It's
only
more than one song. So more like an EP, extended play, something?
What I can say is it's more than one song.
Okay, we're waiting.
Yeah.
But-
so
but-
love to the
KK Park.
Blacko tribe.
Yes, I wanted to ask you, is that the name of your fan base?
Yeah, that's the name of the believers. People that they believe.
Oh,
in.
so you don't call them the fan base, you call them the believers.
Yeah, believers.
So you call them Blacko
Blacko tribe.
Blacko tribe.
Oh, Blacko
We'll have to
tribe.
pick application form to join because I remember.
So you are
If
part
you
of the
love
tribe.
them, if you believe in the journey,
Yeah.
you believe in the craft, join the bus.
The Blacko
We're all the
tribe.
Blacko
I
tribe.
see.
Everyone
You
with
guys
it.
Tribarians.
came out for Blacko today. Thank you all so much. So we're wrapping up with one of the songs.
Let's
Which
do
one?
let's
You
do
wanna
Kweku Killer.
Kweku
Let's do
Killer.
let's do
Okay.
Kweku
You know what to
Killer.
shout. The microphones are here so they can hear.
Yeah. Let's go.
Need a job.